Hey and welcome to a new video tutorial by CrocFIX. So today let's see what we can do to help you. We have here a Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 and it's locked. So somebody forgot the password. So we have no idea how to get in. And when we click many times the incorrect password, we have to wait again. So we don't want to do that. We want to use our phone again. So what you can do, we can erase it and then it will be usable again. So for this, we need to follow these steps. First, you need to power off the phone. But you can't power it off because you don't know the PIN number. So we will proceed following. You have here power up, volume up, volume down and the power button. You will click all three buttons together and hold these buttons until the phone reboots. When the phone reboots, then you release the power button and the volume down button, but you keep holding the volume up button. So, volume up, volume down and volume up, volume down, and the power button. All three together. So you release the power button and the volume down button when you see the Samsung logo. So this didn't work. So we try again, and then we will keep holding the volume, the power button and the volume up button. So we click all three buttons together. The phone is restarting, so now we keep holding volume up and the power button. There we go. So we came into the recovery menu. So don't forget, all three buttons together till the phone reboots, and then when the phone reboots, you release the volume down button, but keep holding the power button and the volume up button. Once you are in the recovery menu, you go down with the volume buttons, so volume down button, you go where you can see wipe data factory reset, and you confirm with the power button. And again you go down and confirm. You wait. So just to let you know, all data, all photos, contacts and everything from the phone will be erased. Then you will go to reboot system now and confirm with the power button. And then you wait till the phone reboots. That's it. So just click here on the language and proceed with the activation and you are good to go. If you had previously your Google account in it, then you will have to enter your Gmail and your password for your mail.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.